Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Monday and marks the beginning of a new week. So, before we go to the chart, let's check fundamentals for the entire week. If you look at this week, today being Monday, we have no news. So, tomorrow on Tuesday, we have CPI. Yeah, we have CPI at 12:30 Ghana time. And core CPI monthly, we're expecting positive. CPI monthly, we're expecting negative. CPI yearly, we're expecting positive. So we wait to see tomorrow what exactly is going to happen. On Wednesday, there is no news. On Thursday, we have PPI and unemployment claims, and we're expecting positive news on Thursday. And Friday we have retail sales and also consumer sentiment. All right. Yeah, so these are the fundamentals we have for the week. Now let's go back to the chart. What is really going on in the gold market? First of all, weekly chart. Right, so if we go to weekly, the market is really not clear at the current area, this place. You can see that overall the market is bullish, right? There is no doubt about that. Now, you can see that after the market creating an all-time high at the 3500, dropped, formed another bullish pattern, pushed back, but couldn't even hit the all-time high level. Still dropped. So the market has been in the form of choppy. Looking at the weekly chart, it's choppy. All right, no clear direction. So it's either we break to the downside, we break there, or we break here. Then we can see that yes, of course, we are pushing to the upside or we are pushing to the downside. Let's go to daily. If you look at daily, you can see strong resistance, which has been respected 4 different times. I'm not going to draw that support because the market is not getting close yet. Yeah, but we still have a support at 32.76, which has also been respecting for some time. So the resistance, the market formed another resistance right here. And you can see it got respected on Thursday, Friday, and this morning we've seen the market is dropping from that same level. At the same time, we formed another support right there of which the market is touching. What is really going to happen? Are we going to break that support and sell down, or we are going to respect and go up again? If it respects and goes up, then I'll be expecting the resistance to be broken because that will be the feed touch, right? So I'll be expecting the market breaking the 34.30 zone for it to go higher and higher and higher. If that doesn't happen, then definitely we might come back to the 33.29 and eventually goes down to the 32.75 levels. So H4, what is happening in H4? H4, H4, H4. Right. Now, if you look at H4, you can see that at the resistance, we got a nice push to the downside. And from here, the market started pushing, breaking the lower highs, creating a new high. And the market has been in the form of an uptrend move until it got to this resistance. Now, here was where the because the range began, and you can see it has been ranging. Can we draw a trend line? H4, okay. Yeah, so this trend line makes sense. But now you see we have a bearish engulfing, right? We have a bearish engulfing. What does it mean? Good. So you can see a break of structure right there and a bearish engulfing sitting on the support. So for me to buy, sell gold, I will have to see 70 breaking, 33.70 breaking. All right. If that happens, then it will confirm to me, yes, the market is willing to sell all the way to the 33.29. Then probably we can join the sales. All right. So until then, what else can we expect? A push probably to the 87 for maybe a continuation push to break the trend line or something like that. We just have to wait. Whatever we see, we are going to trade. Now let's go back to H1. And if you look at H1, you can see that the trend line makes kind of sense, but H1 doesn't really make much sense to me. Okay, so what is happening in H1? Now you can see the H1 zone being respected, right? Yes, H1 zone being respected. So like I said earlier, I will expect to see a breakout here, a pullback, then we can sell all the way down to break all the structures. What if it doesn't break and it respects? Now, we have also broken this structure right here. So the market can probably pulls back there for us to sell down. Whatever happens, just be on the sidelines. If it breaks this structure to the 83, then we can go back to the 95 zone. All right. So whatever happens, just be on the sidelines and wait. It's either we are breaking above here and goes up, or we are breaking below here and goes down, or respecting the breakout and sell. All right. So whatever happens, be on the sidelines. Once I get any clear direction, we are going to trade. All right. So when it comes to 30 minutes, 30 minutes has given you a clear breakout. So a pullback for a continuation sell. That is what I'm actually expecting to see. So guys, whatever I see, whatever happens, we are going to trade today. And may the blues stay with us throughout the week. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. And until then, I will see you in the next video and have a nice day.